Hi students, in this class we are discussing one of the important lesson in 5th standard, that is the tundra regions. Before the study of this lesson, already we discussed in second lesson climate and weather. In that chapter already we discussed if the lifestyle of the peoples and the natural vegetations and animals, if you are seeing any one particular area, all also influenced by climate. So in that based we can see in tundra region also they have some of the special features because of climate condition. So based on climate condition we can see there are some of the special features. We cannot see these like of features in any other region in our earth. Only we can find out in tundra region. So these are the matters we are discussing in this lesson. So now we can start the lesson. So before that we want to know what is mean by tundra. How this one word is derived. This one we want to know. So this one word tundra is came of the language of Finnish. In that Finnish they calling as a tundra is tutaria. So what is mean by tutaria? Means buried land. So what is mean by barren land? Why they call that like of barren land? Because of in this area is covered by, some of the area is covered by only soils, some of the area rocks, some of the area peaks. And so in this area these like a special features we can see. So they given another name, that is the treeless land of our earth. Means tundra region we can see only soil, rocks and peaks. We cannot see the trees. So these like of special features land we can find in our earth. So that only they given name as a tundra region. So these like of soil or these like of earth we can see in our earth in totally 20%. 20% of earth is covered by these like of region, means tundra region means only soils, rocks and peaks. We cannot see other any special features. So next, now we are understood what is meant by tundra and how many percentage of land we can see these like of region, means tundra regions without the trees. So now next we want to discuss the location of tundra region. So when you are discussing the location, just you have to open it to your textbook, page number 265. They are given world map. In that world map, just you have to check it, just you have to observe. They given some of the dots. So which are the parts they given dots? So these are the area is coming under tundra region. So in this tundra region, we can see in north, in earthen we can see only north part. We cannot find out these like of region in southern part. So in that based 60 degree to 70 degree of north latitudinal line, only north 60 degree to 60 degree to 70 degree north latitude lines, between the place they called as a tundra region. So on this based we want to see now which are the countries or which are the continents came under in this region. Is there some of the countries, some of the regions in that tundra region? Okay, we can see one by one. One is continent, some of the part of North America and Asia and Europe. So in these three continents, in some of the part or some of the countries we can find in tundra region, means located in tundra region. Means majorly three important continents countries. One is North America, second one is Europe, third one is Asia. So next we want to discuss, now we understood the location, next we want to discuss the climate condition of tundra region. What was the climate condition? Is it hot or very cold or moderate like of temperature or any other special features of climate condition? So these only we want to discuss in climate condition. So before that we want to know in that tundra region most of the year Means in per year, most of the month is covered by, in that area is frost. Only we can see only snow in this region, Tundra region. Most of the, in 1 year, most of the days or most of the month we can see only snow in that particular region. We cannot see any other climate condition features in that particular area. Only most of the time only we can see only snow. This is one of the special feature. Okay, second one, so on this based, the surface of the earth in Tundra region, most of the part throughout the year covered by snow. We can see in this region most of the year we can find out only snow in this particular area. Means the land is covered by only snow. So they given another name for this one Tundra region, that is permafrost. Because of, why they given permafrost? Because of in this region throughout year we can see only covered by ice or snow. So this is one of the special features in this Tundra region. Next one, in winter season we can see very cold like of climate condition in this particular area, in this Tundra region. And temperature, if you are studying about the temperature in Tundra region in winter season, that is minus 50 degrees Celsius, not plus, minus. Means we cannot get sun rays. So these like of climate condition we can find out in Tundra region. In climate condition in winter season is very cold and temperature minus 50 degree, not plus, minus, means the temperature is very less. So these like of climate condition we can see in Tundra region. And in summer season the duration of day is very short, means very less. So these like of special features climate condition we can see in Tundra region. One is the area, most of the part or most of the days is covered by ice or snow. Next one, throughout year, so on this base throughout year the land surface is fully covered by ice. And another one, in winter season the climate condition is very cold and temperature in winter season is minus 50 degree. And last one, in summer days, a summer season the day is very short. So these like of features climate conditions we can see in Tundra region. Okay, next one part now we are discussing, that is vegetations. Which are the trees? I already said this land is a treeless land. We cannot see the trees in this particular area, but some of the plants we can see in this particular area. So that only now we are discussing in vegetations. In vegetations, when you are discussing about the natural vegetation in Tundra region, in this region is the sum of the vast area, means one of the large area, but we cannot see the trees. If they growing any trees, in the trees is not coming that much of height, not growing that much of height. Because of, I already said, in this land, in so many of days, in a 1 year, in a, means more than month is covered by snow in that particular area. So in that region, trees always growing only short height, is not coming that much of this like of what we are saying in our environment. This like of trees we cannot see in Tundra region. And next one, in during summer season, here we can see the trees. In the time only the trees can grow, because of, we already discussed, if anyone plants, if they want to grow, they need sunlight, water, both also very needed things. But winter season in this Tundra region, they are not getting that much of sun rays, because minus 50 degree means we are not getting the sun rays. So only in summer season in this region growing the trees. So this is also one of the important feature. And so in that based, we can see only some of the important trees or plants we can see in this particular area. One is moss, second one is lichen, and another one is eat. So these like of 3 important plants only we can see in our tundra region. Okay, next one. But here next one they are saying next one points in vegetations. I already said because of in that region the trees of the height is not that much of height because of most of the days in that region is covered by cold or winter or ice. So that's why we cannot see that much of height trees in this particular area. And we can see some of the trees here they say is like a, we can see warm like of trees also we can see because of they want to protect themselves about the cold or ice. So these type of future trees we can see in tundra region. These are the important points about the tundra region vegetations. Next class we can discuss next other important points. Okay, thank you, bye.